Hello everyone, welcome to Progress Consulting Service Private Limited and thank you for joining us today. In construction and contracting projects, job pursuit planning and material purchase requisitions are often managed separately, making it difficult to compare planned quantities with actual requested quantities. To solve this complexity, we developed the material purchase requisition and job pursuit integration application. This application connects requisition lines directly with job post sheet lines and automatically updates actual requisition quantities for better planning, tracking, and project cost control. Now let us begin with the complete functional workflow of the application. So we will start from the job post sheet. Job post sheet can be prepared for project, contract, job order, or work order. The job cost sheet provides structural cost planning through three main cost components: materials, labors, and overhead. Each section maintains planned quantities and costs while also providing visibility into related actual project transactions. So, first we open the materials tab. Here, the project manager can define planned materials required for the project or job. Each material line can include the planned quantity, unit cost, planned total cost, actual purchase quantity, and actual requisition quantity, and vendor bill quantity. This provides a clear comparison between planned material requirements and quantities actually requested through material purchase requisitions. Next, the labor tab. This section is used to plan and monitor labor requirement. Users can review planned labor hours, labor cost per unit, actual timesheet hours, actual labor cost, and actual requisition quantity. This, this allows project managers to compare planned labor requirements with requested labor quantities and actual recorded timesheet hours. Next, the overhead tab is used to plan and monitor project overhead requirements. Users can review planned overhead quantities, unit cost, purchase quantity, vendor quantity, and actual requisition quantities. This provides better visibility into plan and actual overhead requirements throughout project executions. Now we will create material purchase requisitions. So we have already created purchase requisitions and also we have added all the lines under the requisition lines with its requisition actions, products, description, quantity, unit of measure, and vendors. So select the relevant project, job order, and or work order information as applicable. Enter the here, enter the required requisition details and add the required products or resources to the requisition lines. The key functionality of this integration is available directly on each requisition lines. So on material purchase requisition lines, select the relevant job cost center. So here we can see, here we can select job cost center. Here we can select job cost center and job cost line. The job cost center connects the requisition requirement with the appropriate job cost sheet. This ensures that every requested quantity can be tracked back to its original project cost planning record. So here we can change the quantity. After selecting job cost center, select the corresponding job cost line. So here we can select job cost line. The selected cost lines identifies exactly where the requisition quantity should be reflected within the job post sheet. This mapping creates a direct connection between project post planning and requisition process. So here multiple requisition lines can be added to the same material purchase requisitions. Each line can be connected with its own relevant job post center and job post line. This allows different project requirements to be accurately mapped and tracked against their corresponding post planning lines. So requisition requirements can be processed based on configure requisition action. When the action is set to purchase order, the requirement follows the procurement process for purchasing the required product or resource from a supplier. This connects project requirements with the purchasing workflow. When the requisition action configures internal bidding, the requirements can be fulfilled through an internal stock movement. This is useful when the required material is already available in company warehouse or another internal stock location. The application therefore supports both external procurement and internal material movement workflows. So, after entering and reviewing the required information, process the material purchase requisition according to the configured workflow. So, here we have added job post center, job post lines with the requested quantities here. The requisition lines remain connected with their selected job post center and job post line. This maintains complete traceability between the requested resource and its related project post planning line. Now return to the job post sheet. The system automatically reflects the requisition quantity in the actual requisition quantity field of the corresponding job post lines. So here you can see actual requisition quantity is automatically updated from the purchase requisition. Here in labor tab also, here you can see actual requisition quantity same as in the overhead. Here you can see actual requisition quantity. There is no need to manually update the requisition quantity on the job post. This automated integration improves data accuracy and provides immediate visibility of requested quantities against planned quantities. So, in the material tab, project managers can compare the planned quantity with the actual requisition quantity. Where applicable, users can also review purchase quantity, vendor bill quantities, and related material costs. This provides a complete view from material planning to requisition, purchasing, billing, and actual cost monitoring. In the labor tab, user can monitor actual requisition quantity against planned labor hours. Requested labor quantities can also be reviewed alongside planned labor hours, actual timesheet hours. This helps project managers monitor labor requirements from planning through actual executions. The same integration is available for overhead cost lines. Project managers can compare overhead quantities with actual requisition quantity, also where applicable, its actual purchase and actual vendor bill quantities. This supports better monitoring of project overhead requirements and utilization. The job post sheet also provides requisition smart button. Click this smart button to quickly access material purchase requisition connected with the job post sheet. So here you can see all the job post material purchase requisition lines which we have opened from the smart button. This provides convenient navigation and improves traceability between post planning and requisition record. So the application creates an integrated connection between project post planning and operational resource requirement. Project teams can monitor planned quantities, actual requisition quantities, purchase quantities, vendor bill quantities, timesheet hours, procurement activities, and internal stock movements from a connected workflow. The material purchase requisition and job cost sheet integration application helps projects and contracting teams connect project cost planning with actual resource requirements. With direct job cost center and job cost line mapping, automatically actual requisition quantity updates, purchase order, and internal picking support, and quick access to link requisition, project managers gain better visibility and control over project requirements. Thank you for watching. Have a great